So Antonio, as a real estate agent, we always encourage our clients to speak to lawyers in the first instant to understand the purchasing process. As an agent, I can say whatever I like. I prefer for my clients to have the full legal understanding of how it all works. We have spoken about a power of attorney. For example, I'm British. In the UK, power of attorney usually allows the lawyer or whoever has the power of attorney access to my bank accounts, to my personal records, to absolutely everything. Our understanding, of course, in Spain, it's very different when you sign a power of attorney for the purchase of a property. Could you give us a little overview on that?
Yes, sure. I mean, we have the capacity to sign the power of attorney in front of the notary. For example, in UK, we prepare a draft of power of attorney to be signed in front of the notary in UK, and we include the faculties, for example, to purchase, to open a bank account in Spain, to apply for the NIE number, to sign any contract on their behalf, to deal with utility contracts, to deal with the community fees, to obtain a copy of the power of attorney and to prove the representation. So basically, we include faculties related to the purchase. We can sign in UK, and then if there is the legalization with the apostille and they post to Spain with a legalized copy of the passport, or we sign here in front of the public notary in Spain. So the faculties that we will include are very similar in one power of attorney or in the other one. We normally, apart from the power of attorney, we always say to our clients that even we have power of attorney to act on their behalf, we request the authorization because we have like in our law firm we have like a protocol requesting if we are going to sign the title deed. We request prepare a document requesting the authorization to sign on their behalf with the power of attorney. Yeah. So it is like a double check because sometimes if we want we can prepare a very extensive power of attorney with a lot of faculties and to open a bank account, to transfer funds, to deal with many things of the client in Spain, which I sometimes recommend because if a client buys a property here in Spain and, for example, wants to do some works and they have an interior designer, a builder, or whatever, and they try to do the electronic banking and for whatever reason it is blocked and they cannot sort it out the problem in UK, in Ireland, or whatever country, they call the lawyer. And the lawyer, if they don't have a power of attorney, they are they cannot help. So with this faculty, we go to the bank and we say, look, the client wants that we help with this issue. They put the power of attorney in the system, they send to the legal department of the bank, and they authorize us to do, for example, a transfer to the builder or a transfer to somebody.
One very important question when clients are signing a power of attorney, you always do a double check with them, don't you, to confirm before you actually do anything on their behalf?
Exactly. What we normally do is if we are buying or we are signing a private purchase contract, even with the power of attorney, we request our client to give the formal confirmation.
Yeah. Makes sense, really, because then they know what you're doing and then there's no sort of comeback at a later date.